Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really fun little toy that all sorts of kids can play with. It's a little magic water elf. Now what it does, it just creates little jelly creatures that you sit in the water and you make your whole aquarium. It comes with an instruction guide, and inside here you have everything you need to be able to make your own aquarium. You've got your net, you've got your different molds that you can make all sorts of different critters, from crabs to octopus, starfish. You've got your own little aquarium and your magic powder to be able to make all of these set. So you have all of these different sets to be able to stick them in. Then whenever you're done, you can store them inside here. On top of that, you have all the colors that you want to be able to make your little critters. So to do this, according to the instruction guide, we just get out our water, which is a liter of water, and then we are going to take our mix and we're going to stick it in here. Then we'll stir it up. After that, I'm going to have my daughter actually pour in the little mold and pick out her critter, and we will make one of these up. So we just dump this into the water, and then you can either use your own spoon or you can use the little net. Just mix it all up until we get that dissolved in. Then we are going to take one of our molds and get it ready to go. So we have dipped the mold in the water, and now all you do is you just fill it up and then you add any details that you want to have. So I'm going to have my daughter do that. It does have so many different colors, and it does dissolve all the way. It takes a little bit of stirring, but you get those mixed up and you are ready to go. You've got 12 different colors to choose from, and then 10 different molds to use for this. So once we get that in there, the next step, it just says we're going to fill it up. We add in our details. Then we begin the demolding process. So we're going to sit that in the water for about 3 seconds, let it cure, and we got about 30 minutes after that, and we'll have ourselves a nice little critter. All right, so now we've got that stuff all inside the mold. Now we just put it in here for about 3 seconds. We'll shake it off, and it should just fall right off.
1, 2, 3.
Woo! Super cool. Now we let our little guy sit in there, and he will just cure in there for about 30 minutes, and then we will take him out. All right, so we've let this cure in there for a little while, and he is all plump and squishy. We've made a ton of other ones. These are so fun. I love that you can make a whole different aquarium. Then whenever you're done, you can fill this up with that water and let it sit in there, and you have your own fish tank, all homemade.